Hello, it is Wednesday, December 28th, 2011 at 5:43 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I wanted to show you what appears to me to be a cloud being made in the Gulf of Mexico. We're on the NextSat website, and I've got it zoomed out, which I did using Control -sign, so you could see the whole thing, because it kind of loads big, and then you kind of have to zoom in and out to see things here. Well, now it quit playing. Let's see. Let's see. There it goes. Maybe it was loading a new frame. In any case, something I noticed was, well, let me show you around a little bit. Here, this gives you the frame number, and this, if you stop it, you can go through and go to any frame you want. It loads 50 frames at a time. For some reason it goes down here and then it goes over here. And you can set your speed over here, and you can just go frame by frame right here. So, and then this makes it go again, this arrow here. Here's the stop button right there. And what I wanted to show you is way down here at the bottom, right here by this little hump. You'll see right here, see a little cloud coming out? And according to this, let's see, let me zoom in so you can see it. Pink and red equals low cloud detection. We're going from a day view, which is, you know, the pretty colors, and then we go to a night view, which I assume is infrared, I'm not sure. But anyway, during that you're getting low cloud detection is the red. So going down here, you can see right above this little hump here, it's in the night too. See right there? You're getting a V. Now clouds don't appear in the form of a V too often. You know, they kind of have a little cloud and it turns into a bigger cloud. But also you're getting one coming from here, and then there's one that comes up from right here. There's kind of a stair step down right in here. Right there is where that second one's coming in. The loop we're looking at goes from 5 UTC to 2030 UTC, and that the time is right here. So I'm going to zoom out so we can kind of get a fix on how long this is lasting. It's starting at the beginning of the loop, so that's at about 5 UTC. Well, I can stop it once it gets to the end. And we'll go here. So there it is at 5 UTC. And then the other one, well, it looks like it started maybe the same time, because you can kind of see a little line coming up right in here. When I zoom in, you'll be able to see it better. I'll run the loop and then zoom way in so you can see it. And by daytime, by morning, we've got a pretty good cloud here, although it was started, and I don't know what's happening now. It's kind of breaking off. Looks like slices are coming off of it. So that whole it's in the making. Well, no, it cut off. Let's see when it cut off. I've got to get used to using this yet, so forgive me if I kind of... Yeah, about there. So that's at 13 UTC. So about 7 hours. If it's been pumping out, whatever it is. This is kind of a longer, skinny one. Maybe because it's being pushed up into that, I don't know. But let me zoom back in. And we'll zoom way in. Hit go here. And you can use your slider, or you can use your arrow keys to go up and down. And let's go in even tighter. There we go. It's got pretty good resolution zoomed way in. And here's your longitude, latitude lines too, which helps you locate things. So here it comes here, and this is shooting up in the meantime, and they mingle together. Now another interesting thing is, see this little flashing white thing here? It moves up and down. And it actually comes all the way down into here. Right here's another one. See that? I find it interesting that that's doing that right at the point where these two clouds are coming together. It almost looks like it's slicing it there for a little bit. I'm going to zoom in even further. See where it looks like it's slicing it? And where did this one go down here? There it is, right there. So if you connect those two, if you put a straight edge up there, it's doing something to that cloud. I went to Google Map. You notice that this is right above the hump here. And this is, you come down the stair step and it's right there. And I've already located the one above the hump, and that's coming from Tampico, Mexico, right here. And then if I zoom in, down here by Veracruz, you come down here, and it was right there where that other one was coming in. And that's Alvarado. And you can put a marker there, which I've put a marker at the other one. You just go into here and Alvarado. And you go over here and you pick your marker. And you say OK. And then you move this out of the way and you see where it bit. Because it's going to put it where you clicked last. And so then while this menu is still open, you can move it. And then you got to go in and say OK. So when we zoom out, then you can see that location. And we can go back and look at Nexat and see that from here down to here. And then we can actually measure too, and we can see how far it is. There's a little measuring tool here, and you click once, and then you click again. It'll tell you in a straight line up here. That's 279 miles. So they've sent two clouds out to meet 300 miles apart. So anyway, I hope you found that useful, and I'll show you more as I figure more things out. But God bless you and have a good evening.